In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations on Systeme.io, a beginner-friendly guide that will take just about 5 minutes of your time. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to the Systeme.io website and log into your account. If you're new to Systeme.io, you'll need to sign up for either a free or paid plan to get started. Once you're logged in, take a look at the main dashboard. Here, you'll want to navigate towards the Automation tab. It's prominently displayed, and this is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and managing your automations. After you enter the automation section, keep an eye out for the Create button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Clicking on this button is your next step. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to enter a name for your new automation. It's important to choose a descriptive name that will easily remind you of its purpose in the future. This could be anything related to the function of the automation, like welcome series or abandoned cart reminder. With a name set, you'll move on to clicking Add Trigger. Now this is where you define what will activate your automation. Systeme.io offers a range of trigger options. Common ones might include a form submission, where the automation is triggered when a visitor fills out your lead capture form, or a tag added, which starts the automation when someone is tagged based on their activity. Other triggers include purchase completed, or a subscription status change. Delve into these options and select the one that best suits your current needs. Once you've nailed down your trigger, the next step is to define the actions. Actions are the tasks that Systeme.io will carry out automatically when your trigger conditions are met. You can have multiple actions following a single trigger, making your automation as comprehensive or as streamlined as you wish. To start adding actions, click Add Action. The choices available to you include sending an email, which lets you dispatch a pre-designed message to your user. You can also add or remove tags, which comes in handy for segmentation, or even enroll a contact in an email campaign automatically. Moreover, you can extend offers for products or services to your contacts through automations. With the trigger and the subsequent actions all set up, you've successfully created an automation in Systeme.io. This systematic approach helps in streamlining your workflows, ensuring prompt responses, and nurturing leads efficiently without having to execute these steps manually every single time. Give yourself a pat on the back for following through and harnessing the power of automations. And there you have it, a complete guide on setting up automations in Systeme.io. Feel free to revisit the steps and tweak as necessary for your specific business needs.